Benefits of health insurance. Family health insurance, individual health policy. Individual health policy. Nobody. Health insurance. No. Top 10 benefits of health insurance. What are the benefits of having health insurance? The main benefits of health insurance is providing quality treatment without finance strain. The policy cover expenses like doctors' fees, nursing care, room rent, surgery charges, prescription medicine, etc. during the hospital stay. It also covers pre and post hospitalization expenses, annual health checkup, etc. It is worth to buy health insurance. What is the value of health insurance and is it worth it? Health insurance provides financial protection against high medical cost and ensures access to essential health care service. It is worth it for its peace of mind and comprehensive coverage benefits both individual and families. What are the benefits of insurance? Insurance also provides benefits to individual, organization and society as a whole by promoting insured loss control activities, enabling insured insurance benefits are manifold. They offer security by meeting financial risk, providing financial security to individuals and businesses, helping manage which health insurance is best. Uh, Five best health insurance policies in 2025. Best health insurance. Uh, mm, no. What is the zero waiting period for health insurance? A zero waiting period in health insurance means that certain condition or treatment or coverage immediately from the start of policy. Typically, this applies to accidental hospitalization where you can claim benefits right away. It also ensures that you get the coverage you need from unexpected injuries. In health insurance, refundable as you can get a refund for your health insurance premium if you cancel your policy and haven't made any claims. The refund amount depends on how long you had the policy and other factors. The refunded amount is based on the number of months left in the policy. You can check your policy document to see how the refund is calculated. The refund amount may be deducted by any medical expenses covered by the policy, administrative fees and other charges. ठीक, how much health insurance is enough? The amount of health insurance you need depends on your age, medical history, and lifestyle. A common rule of thumb is to get a health insurance policy that's 50% of your annual income. However, you should also consider the cost of treating major illnesses like heart attack and kidney failure. So more medical history. If you have a pre-existing condition, you might need a higher sum insured. Lifestyle, unhealthy habits like poor diet, lack of exercise, and stress can lead to condition like diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol. Location healthcare cost vary by city and state. You might need to travel to a large city for advanced treatment. Future healthcare cost consider medical influence when estimating failure. Healthcare costs, insurance amount. If you healthy and don't have accidents, a lower sum insured might be enough. If you have a pre-existing condition, you may need a higher sum insured. Thanks for watching.